Sometimes it feels like my kids are more connected to my devices than I am. One thing we can agree on though, MiaoKids. They love using it on our tablet at home or on the go. Meanwhile, I also love that it's giving them a bridge to explore the world around them and build different types of intelligence in fun ways through the MiaoKids Wonder Pad. All the while, they're learning math and logic concepts that lay a critical foundation. The MiaoKids level-adjusted games give me the ability to make Wonder Math just the right challenge, even for pre-K ages. And sometimes, it's just right for the older ones too.
MiaoKids makes the learning more natural and more fun, especially with its emphasis on multiple intelligences. And it's sneaky too. Some of my students don't even realize that's what they're doing, learning. But then when it dawns on them that that's what learning can look like and feel like, they're already hooked on it. And that's why I choose MiaoKids for my kids.
Research is showing us the value of what we'll call multimodal text, like an effective mobile app, which integrates shapes, numbers, sound, and images into a single simultaneous learning experience. And kindergartners have consistently shown greater language gains, for instance, when tablet-based inputs are part of a structured learning environment. No technology is a substitute for the human teaching touch, but MiaoKids can certainly give your children a head start or supplement what's already being covered in the classroom.
With MiaoKids, I'm not nervous at school anymore. Chi-Chi is one cool cat. I love adventure mode.
Math is a lot easier and a lot funner than before.
MiaoKids is like another recess. I don't think my teacher knows that.
My brother didn't have MiaoKids when he was young, and now maybe I think I'm smarter than him.